Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Clearco funding structure for seasonal inventory purchases. When your business has predictable seasonal peaks like holidays or specific product cycles, managing inventory cash flow is critical. You don't want to run out of stock, but you also don't want to tie up all your working capital months in advance. From my experience working with Clearco, the most straightforward and effective structure for solving this problem is their revenue share agreement, or revenue-based financing, combined with a smart draw schedule. Why revenue share works best. Unlike a traditional bank loan with fixed monthly payments, a revenue share model is flexible and directly tied to your sales performance. You pay when you earn. Clearco takes a small, agreed-upon percentage of your daily or weekly revenue until the advance plus a fixed fee is repaid. During slow seasons, your payments are lower. During your high-volume, seasonal rush, your payments increase, but that's exactly when you have the cash flow to handle it. Predictable cost of capital. The fee is a fixed dollar amount, not a fluctuating interest rate. This makes the cost of the funding incredibly transparent and easy to budget for. Speed and simplicity. It's generally much faster, secure, and doesn't require personal guarantees or equity, which is a huge advantage when you need to act fast on inventory deals. The ideal draw schedule strategy. The key to maximizing Clearco's revenue share is how you time the funding draws. Don't take all the money at once. Map your cycle. Identify exactly when you need to place your bulk inventory order to meet your peak season. Let's say your peak is December, and you need to pay suppliers in September. Stagger your draws. Initial draw. Take the minimum necessary amount in September to cover the deposit or the first shipment. This minimizes the time the capital sits unused, meaning you start repaying only on the amount you've actively deployed. Subsequent draws. Schedule follow-up draws in October or November to cover final supplier payments or shipping costs. By this time, you might have already started making early sales or generating enough revenue to easily handle the initial draw's repayment, making it simpler to secure the next tranche of funding. This strategy ensures you have capital ready when your suppliers demand payment, but you delay the repayment obligation on the full amount until your cash register is ringing. In summary, the best structure is a revenue share agreement with a staggered draw schedule designed to perfectly align the funding with your supplier payment deadlines, not your selling date. This provides the lowest risk and the highest cash flow efficiency for seasonal inventory. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.